G'day, my name's Jim, and today we're going to be chucking on some new bits and pieces. Some well-deserved new bits and pieces, actually. The old girl needs it. Right. So, one thing we've got is a Plenum cover, a new one. The last one actually just dissolved. Yes, it just turned back into earth again after 40 years. Fancy that. So, here's one that should last another 40 years with a bit of luck. So, this just gets gently pushed on here. I do believe it's been a while since I've had one on and off. Only fits in one place. It's very specifically shaped. Like such. And the back side. That's tight. I think this is being a pain in the ass because it's aftermarket. Although I don't think the original's actually bloody fitted on much better either. These little bloody clips to hold it on, or belt them on. Okay, half done. So friggin' hot. It's about 34°C and twice that in this friggin' garage. Excuse my huffing and puffing. Now we can just put this bit on. Nice new rubber. Holy crap, that was hard. I didn't think just putting a bloody rubber on a firewall would be so friggin' difficult. Now we have some bonnet vents. Oh, no, this is killing me. Go that way. Beautiful new vents. I've owned several of these cars before. They've all had broken vents. Never had new vents that worked before. Well, that weren't stuffed. Only thing is, these things are a pain in the arse to put in. It's a little bloody lip thing here it's got to go under. It's fucking such a pain in the arse. I'll try and slide this bastard in. No. Fucking thing. Whoever designed these vents is a dead set dickhead. Christ, is it a pain in the arse. Okay, well, there we go. We put on a new Plenum cover, put on a new rubber for the firewall, a couple of new vents, and given it a bit of a clean. Not bad for one afternoon. Alright, well, thanks for watching. You'll be good. Stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.